CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.7 Explain Basic Networking Concepts. POP3, IMAP, and SMTP. In this video, I will be discussing 3 essential email protocols, POP3, IMAP, and SMTP. If these acronyms sound like a foreign language to you, don't worry, I will break them down in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these protocols work together to manage your emails effectively. Let's get started. In the world of computer networking, email protocols are like sets of rules that govern how emails are sent, received, and managed between email clients, like your email app, and email servers, where your emails are stored. So let's imagine your email client is like your mailbox, and the email server is the central post office. The protocols we'll discuss help manage the flow of emails between these 2 points, ensuring a smooth email experience. Our first email protocol is POP3, which stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. POP3 is like the traditional way of receiving mail. When you use POP3, your email client connects to the email server and downloads new messages. The POP3 protocol then removes the messages from the server. It's like fetching your mail from the mailbox and taking it inside your home. Once downloaded, the emails reside on your device, and they're no longer stored on the server. While POP3 is useful for offline access to your emails, one limitation is that your emails are tied to a single device. If you access your emails from another device, you won't see the same messages. Now let's talk about IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP is a modern, synchronized way of handling emails. When you use IMAP, your email client remains connected to the email server. Instead of downloading and removing the emails, IMAP keeps your emails stored on the server while syncing them with your email client or clients. If you haven't deduced this already, the main advantage of IMAP is that you can access your emails from multiple devices, like your workstation, laptop, or smartphone, and they'll always be in sync. Any changes you make on one device, like reading, replying, or deleting emails, are reflected on all your devices. Now you know 2 different protocols for receiving emails. Do we have a protocol to send emails too? We sure do. Last but not least, let's discuss SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is the protocol that handles the sending of emails. When you compose an email and click Send, your email client uses SMTP to transfer that email to the email server for delivery. SMTP also ensures that your email is sent to the recipient's email server, which then stores it until the recipient checks their inbox. And there you have it, POP3, IMAP, and SMTP, the protocol trio that manages all your email communications. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.